Good morning, children. This is Rohana ma'am here. I'll be teaching you all English for the second, third and the fourth standard. Okay, so the first thing everybody knows to write A to Z, correct? When you know to write A to Z, you'll be even knowing capital A and mama letters and baby letters. So A to Z, that is the first thing all the students should be able to write neatly in a 4-line note. Okay. Now, after writing A to Z, which is not a very tedious work for you all will have, I'll be teaching you all a small note on a grammar portion. Small note, the basic starting of grammar, that is noun. Okay, so noun you can say it's what do you say, noun can be told like it's you can take a name of a person, a place or thing or an idea, anything that starts with a capital letter, with the name of a person, like you can say Rohana ma'am, it starts with R, so that becomes a noun. You take a place, the name of a place, you take Bombay, it starts with a B, you have always nouns start with capital letters. Okay, so capital letters is the first most important thing that you have to do in English. You learn your letters. After that, the basic grammar is noun. So first, the name of any person, place, thing or idea, that is a noun. So the game, I'll just tell you all a simple game for this, for all the 3 classes involved. I'll just tell you all a simple game for this. We'll take a sheet of paper and we'll write name, place, animal, thing. There's a board. Can you see? Okay, so the basic thing in noun means, I told you it's a name of anything. Now if you give me a name of a person, I'll take my name first. I'll just write my name is Rohana. Okay, now you give a place and name a place as Bombay. And an animal with anything, you take cat, and a thing as fan. Any of these things you can go on starting with this, and you'll get this is all noun. Everything starts with a capital letter, and noun means the name of anything. That is the basic thing of grammar that you can do. This is a game which you all can play in your house with any of your friends, cousins, anybody. You just have to you have to say starting A, and in your mind you have to go on repeating the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, where your friend tells you to stop. From that you have to start the next. You have to start the next letter. So if your friend stops at B or C, or even if he stops at K, first name you write with K. Anybody's name you can take you can write a name with K, a place with K, and then you can write an animal with K, okay, and a thing with K. After that, children, you all can go on playing this game like this. This is the first basic game to learn a noun. After that, you can take the second game. What you all can do is take a huge globe. Have you all seen a globe? If you all have seen what's a globe, take the globe, turn the globe around, and within a span of 2 seconds or 3 seconds, stop the globe and put your finger on any place. Whichever place you stop at, you have to just name that place aloud. So in the globe there are more than thousands of places. You can just name that place and you get a name of that. In this way you can be experienced with different places, different names, different things, ideas, anything. So the basic thing in English will be noun. If you master this noun, you can master anything in English. That's all. Thank you, class.